What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show y'all the drink that I'm starting my day with, and that's a pineapple lemon ginger shot. Now I do have 6 shots right here. I'll tell you guys the recipe. I'll drop it down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. I made enough for 6 shots. If you need more than that, if you need to double it or whatever, go ahead. But I also had enough for a full 16 ounce. Now I drank a little bit of it just to try it out of here. It was enough for 6 shots and the full 16 ounce. But normally I like to just do the lemon ginger shots, but I want to put a little twist to it. And I've been seeing this lately with the pineapple lemon ginger. All right, so here we go. I'm about to knock this shot back. Don't think about it. When you take it, just take it. If you try to sip on it, it ain't gonna taste that good. I promise you that. So here we go. Cheers. Yeah, I would say the pineapple balance it a little bit.